Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn where you can find the context tracking feature and enable it for your workspace and team in the early time tracking application. So let us guide you through this. So guys, as far as I know, this feature can only be accessed through the desktop app of Early. So let me navigate to the desktop app, make sure that you're logged in with the same account. And then guys, what you need to do is click into that gear icon in the bottom left to navigate to your account settings. And then guys, what you want to do next is navigate to the automatic tracking here, enable it. And then guys, what you want to do is click into app context here. And on the next page, you will see the context tracking, click into it. And that's it. You can disable it here also. You will see the applications URL for the contextual tracking. You can disable it here if you like. And yeah, that's basically it guys. So that's how you use the context tracking, for example, for your timesheets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.